Good morning, students. I am Narazu, working as a maths faculty in Target English Medium High School at Tadapatri. So, in part 1, we discussed about exponents and powers. Today, part 2 part. So, I gave one information about related to exponents and exponents. So, do you know, students? All of you know chessboard. Each square of a chessboard filled with a one grain. So, first box filled with one grain and previous boxes are filled in such a way that number of grains is double of the previous box. Yes, I am asking you students, how many number of grains are there filled in all 64 boxes? Think yourself. Yes, it is approximately, observe students here. So, total number of grains of 64 boxes is, observe the number 184467400737095516115. And also, observe diameter of the sun. So, here 1480 meters. Next, mass of the sun. So, equal to 19899. So, totally 26 zeros are there kilograms. So, these are very large in numbers. It is difficult to read. At that time, try to recall how can express in exponential form. So, observe here. First one, number of grains of total 64 boxes expressed in exponential form equal to 1.446 and so on into 10 power 90. Next, the diameter of the sun expressed in exponential form equal to 1.4 in 10 power 9 meters. How can I express? Observe here. So, totally put one digit after put a point. So, here 1480 can be expressed 1.4 into. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 10 power 9 meters. Same as this, mass of the sun expressed in exponential form equal to 1.9891 into, totally 26 zeros are there. Next one, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, into 10 power 30 kilograms. Observe these exponential forms. So, it is easy to recognize our mind. So, what is exponential form? And what is exponent and what is base and what is another name of exponent and powers? Yes. Observe students, do you know what is Avogadro number? So, I learned in 25 years back, I recognized my mind. So, how it is? If you express in exponential form, easily identified. So, the Avogadro number equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of, sorry for this using the word, I memorize Avogadro number equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Yes, and also applied in physical science also, we know that speed equal to distance by time. So, distance can be expressed in meters and time can be expressed in seconds. Then unit for speed equal to meter per second and unit for acceleration equal to meter per second square. So, let us take some examples. 3 into 3 into 3. So, here 3 can be expressed in 5 times. So, then that implies 3 raised to the power 5 or 3 power 5. And also 4 can be expressed in n times, 4 into 4 into 4 and so on up to n times can be expressed into 4 raised to the power n. So, same as this, a into a up to m times. So, it becomes a power m or a raised to the power m. In a power m, a is called base and m is called exponent or power or index. In previous part, we discussed already laws of indices. So, we learned in 13 or 14 laws of indices are there. So that last we are discussing very simple related problems. So already simplify. He arise the question, simplify 3 power 7 into 3 cube. So we know that a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Then so 3 power 7 plus 3 becomes 3 power 10. No need to expansion 3 power 10 value. Simply it is conclude that. Next 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Here 4 or 4 times are there. So can be expressed in 4 power 4 or 256. Observe the students here question. Expand the following numbers using exponents. So two models are there. First model we can discuss now. First one is 3456. This number how can express in exponential form? Exponential means compulsory aside 10 power something. So what the given numbers observe here? 3456 equal to. So observe each and every digit. 6 in units place, 5 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, and 3 in thousands place. That's why. So we can express like this expansion: 3 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1, which implies so 1000 can be expressed in 10 cube. So 3 into 10 cube plus 100 also can be expressed in 10 square. So 4 into 10 square plus 5 into 10, nothing but 10 power 1. So 5 into 10 power 1 plus 6 into 1 can be expressed as 10 power 0. You know that a power 0 equal to 1. Like this, we can use a base as a 10. So 1 also can be expressed as 10 power 0. This is the expansion of 3456. Students, you also practice in your house. So here the problems are given. I gave two problems only. First one is 7405 and second one is 1 2 3 4 5. Solve the problems and practice it in your house. Okay, and also comes to second model. Same as this, expand the following numbers using exponents. So here 543.67. So how can I express decimal numbers in exponential form? So let us explain if it is given decimal numbers. So 543.67. Here 5 is in hundreds place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in tens place, and again 6 is in first decimal number, 7 is second decimal number. So that is 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 0.6 can be expressed as 6 by 10 plus 7 by 100, which implies so 5 into 100 means 10 square plus 4 into 10 power 1 plus 3 into 100 plus 10 power 0 plus 6 into denominator value we can express in the numerator. Exponent must be change the sign. So 6 by 10 can be expressed as 6 into 10 power minus 1 plus, and also 7 into 100 can be expressed in numerator. So 7 into 10 power minus 2. Same as this, solve practice in your house. So I gave two problems also here, students. So first one is 7054.243 and 6523.45. Express the number in standard or scientific form. In this exponents and power chapter, so we discuss two forms. One is in exponential standard or scientific form, another one is usual form. Okay, if it is given usual form, how can convert into standard or scientific form? Very, very important in 2 or 4 marks problem, students. So, first one is distance from the sun to earth equal to 149680 meters and height of the Mount Everest equal to 8848 meters. Next, speed of light, so 3 after 8 zeros meter per second. And again, average radius of the sun equal to 695,000 kilometers. Okay. These are usual forms. How can I express scientific or standard forms? So observe students, scientific form means first can be written as any one digit after put a point, next expressed in second digit into 10 power, expressed in 10 power, then it is a scientific form. So first problem observe, standard and scientific form equal to, here 149600 and so on. So here one digit after put a point, so 1.496 into, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 power 11 meters. That is, the distance from the sun to earth equal to, can be expressed in scientific form, 1.496 into 10 power 11 meters. Next, scientific form of height of the Mount Everest equal to 8.848 into 10 power 3 meters. Next, speed of the light in scientific form equal to 3.0 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Next, average radius of the sun scientific form equal to 6.95 into, so totally 5 digits are there, 10 power 5 kilometers. Dear students, observe second model. If it is given in decimal numbers, how can I express in scientific form? So first one, 0.0000456 equal to, here decimal numbers are there. First we can express in the numbers. So 456 divided by point replace, we can take 1 point after, total 7 digits are there. So that's why we have taken 7 zeros only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then next one, in the numerator value, so 456, 3 digits are there. So put a point after 1 digit, that is 4.56 into 10 square. So product of this value is equal to 456 by here 10 power 7. So numerator value can be expressed in the numerator. So exponent sign must be changed. So plus 7 expressed in the numerator minus 7. So 4.56 into 10 square into 10 power minus 7. It becomes 10 power minus 5. And second problem, 0.000000529 expressed in the first step, observant 529 by, so here point replace 1, so totally 9 digits are there, so that's why 10 power 9 equal to, so 529, so 5.29 into 10 power minus 7. And third problem, 0.8085, so it becomes 85 by 10 power 10, so finally 8.5 into 10 power minus 9. If it is given in word form, the thickness of human hair is in the range of 0.0052 to 0.001 centimeter, expressed in scientific form, that is 5 into 10 power minus 3 to 1 into 10 power minus 3 centimeters. So here it is given decimal numbers, 10 power must be in negative value. So that's not decimal number, 10 power is positive value. Okay. Observe third problem, friends. It is also very important in 8th class standard. The distance between the Hyderabad and Delhi is 1674.9 kilometers by a rail. How would you express this in centimeters? Also expressed in scientific form. So what are given? The distance between the Hyderabad and Delhi equal to express 1674.9 kilometers. Observe what is the relation between kilometer to meter and meter to centimeter. First we express aside. So 1 kilometer equal to how many meters, friends? So it is 1000 meters. And also 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. So apply kilometer replace meters. So 1674.9 into kilometers convert into meters, 1000 meters. Which implies here if remove the point of 1 digit, remove. So here point after 1 digit is there. So remove 1 0 also. So 16749 So remaining 2 zeros. And 1674920 into meter convert into centimeter, it become 100 centimeters, which implies 16749. Here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, totally 40 centimeters. Expressed in scientific form. Scientific form means one digit after put a point. So that is 1.6749 into totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 zeros. So into 10 power 8 centimeters. Observe students, this is the last topic of exponents and power chapter. So here, how to convert scientific form to usual form. So let us observe the problems. So 4.37 into 10 power 5. This is scientific form. How can I express in usual form? Observe. So 4.37 as it is expressed into, so 1 after 5 zeros. So if remove point, so point after 2 digits are there. Here also remove 2 zeros. Remaining 3 zeros are there. So 437 as the same. Remaining 3 zeros as it is expressed. This is the usual form. I hope so all are understood. So same problem. Observe second one. 5.8 into 10 power 7. Same as this practice in your house. This is homework problem, students. Next, if it is given negative exponent, how can convert into usual form? So observe the one example. 32.5 into 10 power minus 4 equal to. First, 32.5 as it is taken by this 10 power minus 4 convert into expressed in denominator, negative convert into positive. So 10 power 4 equal to. Next, this 32.5, this is also decimal number. So 32.5 can be expressed in fractional form, that is 325 by point replace 1, point after 1 digit is there, we can express 1 0 only by 10 power 4 as it is same. Which implies here, this is the denominator, again denominator is there. So this 10 comes into the denominator. So 325 by 10 power 4 into 10 power 1, nothing but 10 power 5. So which implies 325 by 10 power 5 like this express 1 after 5 zeros. So observe the denominator. So here 6 digits are there. In the numerator 3 digits are there. So 325 as this same taken. So here 6 digits, here 3 digits only. Before 3 zeros later. 0 0 0. So 1 digit after put a point. This is the, if it is given negative numbers expressed in like this 0.00325 and also 24.36 into 10 power minus 3 equal to 8. Same as the solve the problems. I hope students all are listened carefully and also practice and memorize in your mind. Thank you very much.